Hi guys, so it's Friday and we are going to just finish off the week by reading a story. The book that I'm going to read is a subtraction book. Remember, subtraction means take away, and this book is really good because it gives you some information, and it is very similar to the one that I read about Hershey Kiss edition. This is called the Hershey Kisses Subtraction Book. It is written by Jerry Piolata and it is illustrated by Rob Bolster. So the author wrote the story, the illustrator drew the pictures, and this one, as you can see, has Hershey Kisses. And if we were doing it at school, we would have had Hershey Kisses for you guys to eat. So let's read our story. In this book, you will learn this is a minus sign and this is an equal sign. And here is your rainbow math or your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. This is a subtraction book. The first thing that we have to do is learn our numbers. Count the candies or count your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can count your toes, but do it backwards. Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is a number missing? Yes, 0. 0 is a number and an important number, but it has no value. There are 0 pieces of candy on this page. 0 pieces of candy. Subtraction is taking away something or finding a difference. Here are 3 beautiful paintings of Hershey Kiss chocolates. Look again, how many paintings are left? 3 minus 1 equals 2. In subtraction, we use a minus sign to show that we are taking away. 3 take away 1 equals 2. 2 paintings are left. So there's our minus sign that says we are taking away. Let's start with 10 this time. Here are 10 posters on a windy day. There's 10 posters on a windy day. 1 blew away. 10 minus 1 equals 9. An equation is a math sentence. So this is an equation. It's known as a math sentence. The numbers on each side of the equal sign have the same value. 10 minus 1 has the same value as 9. So 10 minus 1 is the same as 9. It's the same value. It's just 2 different ways of showing you how it's done. Someone has sewn a colorful 9-patch quilt with candies on it. There has been a change. 1 candy has been removed. 9 minus 1 equals 8. The answer is 8. In subtraction, we call the answer the difference or the remainder. Hooray! It's clown school graduation day. Look closely and you can count the candies. They are not all the same color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Subtracting by 1 is the same as counting down or backwards. Can you see a pattern developing? Basic subtraction facts. So here's your 0. And anytime you take away from 0, the answer is 0. If you take away 1, you're counting backwards from 1. And then by 2s, by 3s, by 4s, by 5s, by 6s, by 7s, by 8s, and by 9s. Numbers can always be added and subtracted. It does not make sense to subtract elephants from tigers. 2 tigers minus 1 elephant do not equal 1 clown when doing subtraction. Use things that are alike. It's amazing to watch someone juggle different fruits, but you cannot subtract apples from oranges, and you will go bananas trying to subtract coconuts from cherries. Now you could subtract fruits, but you couldn't subtract certain types of fruits. It's now time to deliver candy to the circus. The kids will be waiting, but there's a bump. So it looks like there were 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it looks like 2 fell off. So 7 minus 2. 7 candies were in the truck. 2 fell off and now are gone. That leaves 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. If the clowns go back and pick up the 2 candies, there would be 5 plus 2. Addition is the opposite of subtraction. Using addition, we end up back to where we started. Start with 5. Count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clouds, 5 birds, 5 mountains, 5 clowns, and 5 Hershey Kiss chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Now, 5 minus 2 equals 3. The first number in the subtraction equation is called the minuend. The number that is being subtracted is called the subtractand. Remember this, the minuend minus the subtractand equals the difference. I might have said that wrong. It's not something I usually read. Order of 3 coming right out. 3 minus 2 equals 1. When doing subtraction, you cannot reverse the numbers that you are subtracting. 2 minus 3 does not equal 1. When you do subtraction without taking anything away, it's called comparison subtraction. The yellow clown is 6 feet tall. The blue clown is 4 feet tall. What is the difference in their height? 6 minus 4 equals 2. The yellow clown is 2 feet taller than the blue clown. The green clown weighs 300 pounds. The striped clown weighs 100 pounds. Here's the math. 300 minus 100 equals 200. Basically, 3 minus 1 equals 2. The green clown weighs down 200 pounds more than the striped clown. We're flying through the subtraction book. This is fun. 1 minus 1 equals 0. There are 0 Hershey Kisses on this page, and any number minus itself is always 0. Hold on, it's time for a ride on the roller coaster. Here's an equation where 0 is the subtracted. 4 minus 0 equals 4, and when 0 is subtracted from a number, the value remains the same. What would happen if you subtracted more than you have? There are 10 balloons, and this boy paid for 12 balloons. How many more balloons would be needed? He would still need 2. 10 minus 12 equals a negative number 2. The clown owes the boy 2 balloons. A negative number is also called a minus number. But you won't get into that in kindergarten. There are 20 Hershey Kisses, and if I were to make 4 equal groups, each group will have 5. That's not subtraction, it's division. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Next week, we'll learn division. No, we won't, not in kindergarten. All right, guys, so that was our story, subtraction. I want you to keep practicing this weekend. You will have an activity to do as well, and there will be a subtraction song. I want you to have fun this weekend. I want you to enjoy yourselves, and I want you to take care. I'll talk to you soon. See you Monday.